Alright, we're back. So, I was going to use like a power planer. That's the tool's name. But, it wouldn't really fit along here. I guess I could run it at an angle, but still couldn't get the back part. So I wound up just using a sander with a heavy grit paper on there. And then just went over it a couple times, and you can see it's just barely, and then the front was actually loft too, and now it's not rocking back and forth between the middle one anymore. So this one is just a hair, not nearly where it was. I'm probably just going to take just a hair more off of it. I'll do the same to the one down there, and then yeah, that'll be it. So really simple, just use a sander if you got one. You could also use those the reciprocating saws that just have I think Dremel makes one. There's a couple of different knockoff ones, but it just has the blade that goes back and forth, and you can just cut along things really easily. That would also work if you just want to shave just a little bit off of here. So yeah, but you definitely don't want it rocking back and forth. You want it to be level over your things, especially when you're working with a shorter span. So these not so much matter, but when you're looking at just three stringers and a one piece going across it and the middle one's higher, yeah, you don't want it to be over time to be rocking like this, pulling the screws out or whatever. So yeah, that's an easy fix on that. Use a sander. Alright, thanks for watching.